Hello everyone, we are going to see about DOM, Document Object Model. The Document Object Model is a programming interface for web development. It represents the structure of HTML and XML document as a hierarchical tree-like structure, where each DOM node represents an element or bit, attribute or piece of text in a document. The DOM allows JavaScript to interact with and manipulate the content, structure, and style of the web page dynamically. Here are some key points related to DOM. The top level object of the DOM hierarchy is the document object, which represents the entire HTML document. It provides methods and properties for accessing and manipulating the document content. The nodes are the building blocks of the DOM tree. Each element, attribute, and piece of text in the document is represented by a node. The main types of node in the DOM are element node represents HTML element, example div, p tag, span tag. Text node represents textual content within elements. Attribute node represents attributes of element. Traversal. You can traverse the DOM tree using various methods and properties provided by the DOM API. Common traversal methods includes get element by id, get element by class name, get element by tag name, query selector all, and manipulation. You can manipulate the DOM dynamically by adding, removing, or modifying elements and attributes using DOM manipulation methods such as create element, append child, remove child, set attributes, inner HTML, and events. In events, the DOM allows you to handle user interaction and events such as click, mouse movement, key press, etc. You can attach event listener to DOM elements to respond to these elements using methods like add event listener. Now I am going to and then you can style also. You can modify the style and appearance of elements using the DOM. The style property of an element allows you to access and modify its CSS properties dynamically. The DOM is a fundamental part of web development and JavaScript programming. It enables developers to create dynamic and interactive web pages by manipulating the structure, content, and style of HTML document dynamically using JavaScript. Understand how to work with DOM is essential for building modern web applications. Now I will go to show you how to write a code. For this we are going to use HTML and then JavaScript. In the HTML I am going to create an h1. You can see that we are getting DOM manipulation. Now I am going to write a JavaScript for this. I am going to create a paragraph below this DOM manipulation. I am going to create a paragraph. For this I am going to use a JavaScript const equal to document dot. First we are going to create element. I am going to create element p tag and then paragraph dot, and we are going to create a text content, so that I am going text content, and what text I am going to give is this is a new graph created using created with JavaScript. And then I am going to append this to a body of the document, so that for that document dot body dot append child. Append child means it will help us to send our paragraph to a HTML body. If I say this, you can see that the paragraph is added into our HTML. Now I will explain you the code. We use the document dot create element method to create a new paragraph tag. We set the text content of the paragraph using the text content property, and we use the append child method to newly create a paragraph element to the body of the HTML element. When you run this code, it will dynamically create a new paragraph element and it to the body of the HTML document, resulting in the following HTML structure. With this, I am ending my video.